Our top story on the show, a partnership as old as time. Now growing, in fact, at bullet speed. Prime Minister Modi in Japan, the focus continues to be on building and ensuring that there is further fillip to the India-Japan economic partnership. The two countries deepen their strategic and defense ties. Remember, this comes in the wake of growing rhetoric from Donald Trump and his administration. What began as correction of trade deficits from America's side is not all about lecturing, bullying, and talking down. In fact, even here, with regards to both India and Japan, both countries have been at the receiving end from Donald Trump and his administration as well. But this visit of Prime Minister Modi to Japan was not just about Donald Trump's tariffs, much more. Everything from infrastructure to development aid to the future partnership in terms of Japan pledging more aid and development assistance to India going forward. We're going to talk more on that. But first up, let's listen in to what the leaders said.
मानते हैं कि जापानी टेक्नोलॉजी and Indian talent are a winning combination. जहां हम हाई स्पीड रेल पर काम कर रहे हैं, वहीं नेक्स्ट जनरेशन मोबिलिटी पार्टनरशिप के अंतर्गत पोर्ट्स, एविएशन और शिप बिल्डिंग जैसे क्षेत्रों में भी तेजी से प्रगति करेंगे.
India is bringing transformation to the whole world through innovations. Japan can also boast of advanced technology leading the world's growth. When we think about Japan and India relations going forward, we need to take advantage of each other's strengths to bring solutions to our challenges and to help each other.
Well, viewers, as far as this partnership is concerned, it has several layers to it. One is the demographic aspect to it. Japan is struggling with an aging population. India's demographic dividend is probably one of the best answers that Japan can get to its generational problem. That's one aspect. Second is greater collaboration with regards to AI, critical minerals, and ensuring that supply chains remain robust. Already, there has been a lot of talk about how India should make sure that it's able to better shock-proof its supply chains and particularly ensure that critical mineral supply remains under control. And lastly, the other aspect of the India-Japan partnership, that is the defense partnership. Both are members of the Quad. So what if Donald Trump wakes up every second day and wakes up with yet another thought? India and Japan continue to have that stability and consistency in their defense partnership, which is why this is an arrangement, this is a partnership and a relationship that is only set to prosper from here on.